Introducing the GPT06 waterproof personal GPS tracker, the ultimate solution for a wide range of industrial and commercial applications. Let's dive into its remarkable features: global coverage, double module positioning, precise GPS positioning, user-friendly platforms, multiple alarm functions, geofence alert, long battery life, protocol support, waterproof and dust-proof. The GPT06 offers various alarm types: vibration alarm, collisions falling alarm, speed alarm, geofence alarm, low battery alarm. Installing the GPT06 is a breeze. No complicated installation required. This versatile tracker is perfect for finding the location of your loved ones, ensuring the safety of outdoor enthusiasts and workers, keeping your pets secure. Ideal for both individuals and vehicles. With the GPT06 GPS tracker, your safety and peace of mind are just a click away. Experience the future of tracking technology today.